Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. I just got out the gym right now. I actually stopped at Salad and Go. I tried it like the other day and oh my god, it was so bomb. So I had to stop and get something. Look, I got the barbecue ranch and it comes with mango tea. It's so bomb. I want to show you guys real quick what I got in my June box for BoxyCharm, and I actually got this right here, and then I got my July box as well. Can you see them? So this is like cute lip gloss, and then also I got this Tarte palette. It was so cute. I literally fell in love with this one because look at this freaking size of this mirror. Like, this is huge. Like, it's super huge. The colors are so cute. This is like this is something I will carry in my purse like every day most of the time, because you know what, like I love new colors like that. And yeah, that shit is popping. This it's like a primer plus supposed to be like a pore eraser kind of. I used it this morning. I don't know if it erased my pores, but I like the way it moisturized my face. Yeah, these I actually used one probably like 2 days ago, but I'm gonna use one Friday tonight because I'm gonna, you know, show you guys like my night routine tonight. And then also, last thing, I got this. So you know how you get 5 things every month, and this is like, I used it already, so because I thought it was so cute. It's kind of like a bronzer highlight type. When I came back from the gym, I actually checked my mail and I got another box. So I'm going to open it real quick because I thought I had grabbed the knife. Let me take a bite because sorry about that, but look, this is where I wore to the gym today because I just don't even care no more what I go looking like to the gym. Did it blur me? Okay, so I'm gonna open this because I want to see what I got. My apartment is so quiet, you guys. My kids are not here. They're actually with their grandma right now. They should be getting here like in a little bit. So, what is this? Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Nutrition Prebiotic Green Mask. So I don't know if it's like a mud mask, but this is what I got. So I got that. I'm excited to try that because I love mask. I don't know about you guys, but I love mask. Also, let me see what this is. Yes. I'm like trying to see if there's more. Ooh, this is cute. Look, I can actually use this like as a blending brush. This one, I actually like using these. I know these are for foundation, but I have one in my restroom and it's just like this one, and I use these for my mud mask, so I can just like, you know, apply them and then I'll wash them and put them back. I put them where my toothbrushes go, so that's cute. Let's see what else we got. Oh my god, another palette from Butter London. Oh my god, look at these colors, you guys. These are so cute. They're bomb, huh? And look at the mirror, like so cute. Hey, I actually like this. Also, what is this? I got this, but I don't even know if it's this color or this color. Let's see. What is this from? This is from Lamar Cosmetics. I think that's what it is. It's in the color Coqueta in Spanish. What is that in Spanish? Like flirt? I think that's what it is. Yeah. And this is like a what's it called? Somebody's knocking on my door, you guys. So yeah, that's actually all I got today from my BoxyCharm. But anyways, I'm gonna have to cut this video off, and I'm gonna do like a nightly routine tonight to show you guys what I do on like my night basis, like what I use on my face, on my hair, like the product. I'll be back right now after I shower and take off my makeup and stuff. Okay, we'll see you in a little bit. And I just got out the shower, so now I'm gonna show you guys what I usually do and wash my face with. I use the Neutrogena, the pink grapefruit, and I have my little brush, so I usually just put like a little bit, and then I'm gonna like wet my face just a bit. And that thing was dry, so just turn it on. And honestly, this works so good for me. I've been using this for like ever. Like I honestly truly like love this. It like works so good. When it gets all foamy, I'm gonna put more because I feel like it's not enough. So yeah, people always ask me like, what is your nighttime routine, like your skin routine or whatever, and I always say I'm gonna make a video on it. This is like literally dying, you guys. I need to put batteries, and I have brand new ones right there, and I don't know why I don't freaking put none. I should have put them. I should have put some actually before I started this video. So yeah, I gotta keep turning it on. I usually just do this like every night. I usually do this in the shower though, no lie, because it's like less messy, you know. Right now I'm gonna show you guys what I put in my hair as well, because I am so like delicate when it comes to my hair, no lie. I just had to cut it, like that shit was so dead. What I like about this is that it leaves your face so like tight, like right after, and I'm like glowing. Get it right here on my nose really good, because I feel like this is where my pores are at and where I like usually need it. So scrub it the most, because you know how like makeup always hides right there? Yeah, that's me right there. Okay, so it's nice and clean. So I usually use this, right? Like I seriously like love this and recommend this to like everybody. Like I usually always use that. I'm gonna use it, but first, and also this is like, because at different nights I have like different types of care skin, but right now I'm gonna use one of these masks. I actually have like a few, like my go-to. This is the new one I just got, but usually I have like a few of them, and or actually I have like the ones I usually buy at the store. This one I got it in the BoxyCharm, but I usually just go get some at the store. So I'm gonna do like the mud mask right now, and then I'm gonna take it off and put like a mesh mask, I guess. So this is the little brush I was telling you guys about that I use like for my mask. So that's what I'm gonna use right now. Okay, so I will be applying this all over my face. Oh, I love it. You know, I love this. The L'Oreal has like these ones. I actually had a mud mask of this, but this is the sugar one. It's kind of almost like, you see them, it's like on the edges. Okay, so this one, oh my god, I love it. When you feel your skin like it's either peeling, it feels like just like so flaky and it feels nasty, like I recommend this one. Like it works so good. Like if you guys used it before, man, like your skin is gonna be super soft. Usually when I just wash my face with that face wash, I usually just use of course lotion and that moisturizer, the Vino. But before I use this, like it's a clean and clear. It's a deep cleaning astringent. It has salicylic acid. Is that how I say it? Did I say it right? and it just prevents like from pimples coming out, and it kind of like burns your face. So it's good because like I like to wash my face and scrub it, and then also usually get like one of these cotton balls I have in here, and just like use it and like just tap it all over my face. Of course, if I have like a big pimple or something like that, I kind of want to like just leave it there for a little bit, you know, and then just, but I usually put it all over my face. It is gonna sting a little bit, but you should be fine. After that dries out, like then I go ahead and put like some of this Aveeno lotion or moisturizer. It's like $13 at Walmart, like 13, 14. It's kind of expensive to be this little, but it works really, really good, you guys, like no lie. Okay, shout out to one of my friends that got it for me for my birthday. It's a lip scrub from Victoria's Secret, and it's Cocoa Dream. It smells so bomb, you guys. I'm gonna like put this product in my hair while my mask dries, because I'm gonna show you guys what I use in my hair, because you guys literally need to use it. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I cut my hair. It used to be like super long, all the way down to like my waist, and I cut it because it's like summer and it's like super hot outside. Like ain't nobody got time. So oh my god, I cannot stress this enough. If you guys don't have it, you guys need to go buy it like ASAP. It's the Protecting Silk and Blowout Quick Drying Thermal Spray. It's from Beauty Pure. That's the brand. I know you guys seen it. I'm sorry. Oh my god, I like love to put this in my hair, especially if I'm gonna like blow dry, because right now I'll probably blow dry, maybe not like in camera, but off camera I'm probably gonna blow dry my hair, because I hate going to sleep with my hair wet. Plus I wake up and it's like feels like super dry. So I love to put this in my hair, and it smells so good, you guys. It literally smells like a bomb ass perfume from Ulta or Sephora. You know when you walk in and it literally smells so good. I think that's why I got it. But I like it though, because it's like, I think it's kind of like also protects from like the heat and stuff. So I like to use that. Sometimes I'll use this. It's like from Mexico. My friend got it for me. Shout out to Melissa. She actually got that for me too. She went to Mexico, she grabbed this, and it's like a kind of like a cream lotion. And or sometimes I use this, the Aussie, for curls, but I still like to use it in my hair even though. Or I'll use like this oil. I just have like different things, but right now like I'm literally living for this spray right here. I will spray it, but I don't know what happened, and it's just like dripping. Something happened. So I like to use this actually on my hair. You guys don't understand this. You guys need to go get it, or even if you guys go to the store and just smell it, you guys are gonna want to buy it, like for real. I love this. Like I always put this in my hair. This is like a must. And since I'm gonna blow dry right now off camera, I'm gonna put this. I use the Ion styling, so I'm gonna put this right here, just so you know, heat protector or whatever. Okay, so I put that in my hair. My face is still not dry. So I have a few questions that some of my friends asked me. Let me go through them. Okay, so let me look. What's your full name and age? Of course you guys know my name is Giovanna Anai. Giovanna Anai Lauderdale, and I am 24. And it says, what's your birthday? June 19, 1995, of course. And I'm a Gemini. And what is your favorite color? I love nude. Like nude is my color, you guys. What's your height? I'm 4'11". Well, I think 5 actually. Last time I checked was like when I was in 7th grade. You guys, I don't really be paying attention to that type of shit. What is your shoe size? I'm a 6.5. Well, I'm a 6, but I like to get 6.5. Have you ever cheated on an exam? Yes, I have, but because I was so sure I was like gonna pass that shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, so I had to cheat Do you believe in karma? Of course I believe in karma. Like, I seriously do, you guys. Like, I feel like if you do some bad shit's gonna happen to you. Like, I swear, and it always does. This is my favorite one. What's your favorite candle scent? I think my favorite one is the Black Cherry Merlot from Bath and Body Works. Fuck, that shit is fire. Do you wear makeup every day? Hell no. Hell no. Go to my job looking like a fucking troll, but it's okay. They don't say nothing, you know. Do you prefer Titanic or The Notebook? I think Titanic. Like, for real. I love Titanic, you know. I even cried. Like, I was so little. Do you have nicknames? Or nickname? I do. It's Gio. Or my family calls me like Anna. My mom calls me Anna. Short for Anai, of course. What is your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant. I have to say the Cheesecake Factory. I love going there, you guys. It's so bomb. What is my favorite type of junk food? That's like a hard one because I used to eat a lot of junk food. Now I don't. Like, I don't at all. Like, I try not to, but I think back then I used to get hot Cheetos with cheese all the time, you guys. What's my Starbucks drink? I actually have a few, like, different days. I have like different, or in the mornings when I just want coffee, of course, I get like caramel macchiato. Or like, if you know, because lately it's fucking hot in Arizona, so I don't be getting that shit. I barely tried, what is that called? It's like white guava with lemonade tea, something like that. It's so bomb, you guys. It tastes so good. Like, it's fire. Do you like roller coasters? I like them. I like to see them. Do I like getting them? No, I don't. I don't know why. I just don't. Like, I can't. I hate that. Like, I hate that stomach feeling. Okay, so that's all the questions I have, because the ones are stupid. So thank you guys for asking me some questions. I actually like some of them. Okay, so I'm gonna wash this off. So I just washed that mask off my face. Now I'm going to use, like I said, I'm gonna use this, and I'm just going to tap it all over my face. Just like this. Okay, so one thing though you guys cannot forget is this right here. This is like the best part ever. Actually got this from Laser Away. It smells like vanilla. Oh my god, it's like the best thing ever. So yeah, hope you guys like this video, and if you do, make sure you hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you aren't already.